Roman.
Roman's in the house.
Okay.
Come on over here. Come on. This way. Come this way.
There it goes.
Oh yeah!
Laura. Nobody was under it.
Nobody was over.
Okay, did they bring the wires down?
No, I don't see any wires.
Whoa! They took it down!
I think that they'll keep moving
Oh yeah,
for those ones.
yeah.
I mean, that could have pulled something too, right?
Don't sleep here for the rest of the week until that paper. It's not gonna be there.
Because it hit them.
You're taking down the whole entire tree?
What, honey?
You're taking down the whole entire tree?
Well, that's a good thing that it was seen. Laura, it was a blessing that it
Whoa,
was seen. That
that's gonna hurt. That's got
if nobody saw it, that could have
I'm
been.
not getting so out.
So,
Come on.
happened
Let
at a
me
good
feel
time.
up like
It
I look like
I was like, I'll have nightmares about this.
okay, you know what? What is this? A disaster.